War on Common Sense: How Climate Cultists and Globalists Threaten Humanity. The Woke Playbook. Step 1. Replace facts with feelings. Step 2. Blame every problem on dead white men. Step 3. Cash those DE consultancy checks. Step 4. Watch society collapse. But hey, at least the pronouns are inclusive. Ancient astronaut theorists ask, did aliens invent the 72 gender spectrum? Or did blue-haired academics just forget basic biology? Feminism in 2024. We want equal pay, also feminism. Why won't you pay for my 18 oat milk latte? Oppressor. Climate cult logic, ban oil, freeze, blame capitalism, repeat until we're back in caves. But at least Greta's happy. Grandma's reaction to queer theory. Back in my day, we had men, women, and Elvis impersonators. Now it's all trauma Olympians.